Futures are slightly higher this morning. The S&P 500 is up 0.05%, Nasdaq up 0.06%, the Dow is up 0.04%, and the Russell 2000 is up 0.07%. It's the market's way of loosening up before stepping under the bar for today's main lift, which is July CPI. Rates aren't budging, with the 10-year yield steady at 4.28%, oil's easing at 0.17% to $63.85, and gold slipping 0.26% to $3,395.90 after yesterday's tariffs headline took some uncertainty off the table. The dollar's flat overall, with the euro just barely higher, the pound up 0.25%, the yen giving back 0.17%. Over in Asia, Tuesday's session leaned positive. Japan's Nikkei surged 2.15% to a record high as markets reopened after Monday's holiday, boosted by strong corporate results, a weaker yen, and relief that U.S. tariffs aren't hitting exporters as hard as feared. Mainland China kept its winning streak alive with the sixth straight gain. Shanghai rose 0.5% to Hong Kong, and Hong Kong added 0.25%. Australia ticked higher after the RBA delivered a 25 basis point rate cut to 3.60% and kept future moves data dependent. London's FTSE 100 is up 0.26%, and France's CAC 40 is up 0.38%, while Germany's DAX is off 0.10%. UK job data showed hiring still cooling, but wages holding firm at 5% annual growth. Retail sales gained 2.5% year over year, led by a 3.9% jump in food and a 1.4% rise in non-food. Headlines to watch: the US-China tariff truce has been extended another 90 days, with President Trump saying gold imports won't be tariffed. The RBA's rate cut was in line with expectations, and here in the US, Richmond Fed President Barkin speaks at 10 a.m. Eastern. Today, we will get the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index at 6 a.m. Eastern, CPI and Core CPI at 8:30, Red Book at 8:55, and API crude inventories after the close. Today's CPI is the big lift, expected to add plus 0.2% headline and 0.3% core, which would nudge core annual inflation up to 3%, with traders already pricing in at least 2 Fed cuts this year, and tariff effects starting to creep in. This print could reset the conversation on rates. Stay disciplined, stay focused, stay profitable. I will see you at the close to go over what actually happened. God bless.